This evening, the GOP has its first presidential debate. My name is Dez here at Grok Trade. It is Thursday, August 6, 2015. And the spiders, the S&P 500 down 0.8%, the Dow down 0.65%, the Nasdaq down 1.55%, small caps off by 1.37%, Nasdaq, small caps, Russell 2000 leading the charge to the downside. Banks off by 0.63%. Commodities higher. We have silver up 0.3%, gold up 0.44%, US dollar down 0.1%, and fear increasing higher. Here we are taking a look at the spider, which is the ETF on the S&P 500. And yet again, we stay within the confines of the symmetrical triangle with the red lines and the bigger symmetrical triangle on the blue lines. We are coiled. This is building up a ton of energy, very tight, going into the apex of a symmetrical triangle, looking for a sizable drop, and it could get to this blue line immediately, or we will get a sizable pop to this blue line immediately. You'll see a sizable jump one direction or the other, statistically speaking, based off of technical information and education. Now, I see these trend lines as being very important. Watch the red one, watch the blue one, watch the red one, watch the blue one. Very important. The Dow here dropped down, tested a big blue line, finding support. We are teetering on death here if we break through. Nasdaq had this, we try to get above it, but we come right back down. I'm going to take this trend line now and move it there and say that's what we're dealing with. Have a support line, found support right here. Big time trouble, huge sell volume, gang, on today's movement. Small caps this is just a horrible sign for small caps. Breaking an area of support. We have support here back at August 2014, right here. This was July 2015, and we closed below it. That is very troubling. We're still above this area of support, but if we drop closing out the week, this is big time trouble. So take this as a big time warning. And you could be hearing me jump on a soapbox about a huge warning coming into this weekend. Banks here teetering on death. Big rising wedge, and we're at a support. This thing could be in trouble, and quickly. So tonight is the big GOP presidential debate. It's the first one that they've had. And everybody is watching this. Democrats, Republicans, Independents, everybody and their brother. They are saying that this will be record-breaking numbers to watch a debate. And Donald Trump will probably have a lot to do with that. So, anyway, if you don't know about hedging, certainly do some information on that. Actually, I have a course. I need to reintroduce the hedging course so you guys can participate in that, so you can not lose money if the markets start to crash down, to protect yourself. Have a good one. Catch you guys tomorrow.